Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Back with me, DJ Lala Banderas, para sa ating usapang sakto, klaro, diretso. Unang stop ng ating hashtag biyaheng take charge ay para sa mga kabisyo nating sawa na sa kanilang aso't pusang relationship, walang hanggang bangayan, walang palyang alitan. Love, if you don't want to continue living your life like that, you have to take charge. It's either you say your piece for the last time or tama na. Hindi kasi pwedeng sasawayin mo ngayon tapos bukas pababayaan mo na lang para wala na lang alitan. It can't be like that. Kasi parang you are sending a message across sa partner mo na kaya mo namang tiisin or tanggapin na lang kung ano ang mali na nakikita mo. So, bakit pa niya babaguhin, di ba? So, if you don't want your relationship to be a toxic one, calm yourself down, try to sit the issue with your partner and talk heart to heart. Whatever the approach may be, through inuman man yan, a vacation na kayo lang dalawa, all that matters is it needs to be intimate and solemn para maunawaan nyo yung isa't isa. Love, like everything else in this life, if you want a result that you've never had, you have to do something you've never done. If you know na paulit-ulit na lang kayo, maybe it's time to finally let it go, diba? A relationship for two can never be fixed by one alone. Okay? At eto na nga po ang second stop ng ating hashtag biyaheng take charge. Alam niyo, love, what kills hope? Apathy. Yung ugaling walang pakialam. Yung ugaling hayaan mo sila, bahala na sila dyan. It's when something wrong is happening in front of you and you choose not to do anything to stop it. Sa mundo ng mobile devices or new technology, very much present ang ugaling yan. Instead of people stopping someone sa ginagawa nilang mali, mas inuuna nating maglabas ng mobile device to capture the moment. Direkta upload sa social media and boom, viral. That need or want to go viral for that reason is something na siguro hindi ko mauunawaan. I mean, I am a content creator myself. Viral man o hindi ang mga videos ko, cohesive or iisa ang intent ko. That is to entertain my viewers, followers, or those people na potentialing makakakita ng video ko. Pero ang pagpo-post ng mga videos of violence happening right before their eyes, anong intention nun? Gets ko yung for awareness or evidence and all. Pero right at that moment, aside from taking videos, what have you done to stop it from happening? Yung iba nagigets ko takot sila, pero yung iba, 'di ba? Anong rason? Anong purpose? All I'm trying to say is, sana love dumating yung araw na we can do more than just posting it online. If you don't like what you see na nangyayari na sa harapan mo and you know deep inside you can do something about it, then please do something about it. Take charge sa situation na yon so that there will be no negative video na kakailanganin mong i-post online for awareness. Remember, life means so much more than the likes, shares, or views na you'll receive online. Take charge, act out, and be present sa moment na yun. Okay? At eto na nga po ang last stop ng ating hashtag biyaheng take charge. At ito ay para naman sa mga taong may mga personal goals. Either magpapayat, to quit smoking, to quit drinking, or stop overthinking. Love, this is solely under your control. Ikaw to katawan mo to. You can never blame anyone if any of those efforts na ginawa mo is paying off or showing the results na gusto mo. You may have heard this line one too many times, pero para lang sure, I'll say it again. Ijulit-julit natin. Love, take charge dahil only you can help yourself. You might think na hindi mo kaya, but believe me, you can. Even I do have a personal goal this year. That is to lose the weight I've gained last year. But I'm doing it not for anyone else. I'm doing it for myself. Kaya kung ikaw ay may gustong mangyari sa buhay mo or meron kang personal goal in life na gusto mong ma-achieve, from the word itself, personal, be the reason behind the question why you wanna do it. Gawin mo siya para sa sarili mo to feel good about yourself, a form of self-love, or make yourself a better person. Huwag mong gawin yan para sa iba kasi the moment that you do, it will feel like a task, a work, or a job. It's gonna be tiring and exhausting kasi kung hindi mo makikita yung reaction or support from the people you are doing it for, Magtatampo ka, madidisappoint ka, madidishearten ka. So do it for yourself. Be the reason as to why you smile in the morning kapag humaharap ka sa salamin. Be the reason as to why you want to progress sa goal mo. Kasi alam mong it will make you feel good about yourself. Okay? Love, do you. If it is for self-improvement, then take charge. Okay? Sa mga kabisya natin, pwede pa rin natin ituloy ang ating hashtag biyaheng take charge over at my Facebook fan page, DJ Lala Banderas. Kasama nyo pa rin po DJ Lala Banderas para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Hatid sa inyo ng 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.